Starting your investing journey can feel overwhelming, especially in 2025 when the market is full of noise and hype. But the truth is, you don't need to pick the next Apple or Microsoft to build wealth. You just need a few smart, simple ETFs that work, even when the economy gets rough. Today, I'll show you the top 3 ETFs for beginners that I would trust with my own money. Welcome to Opportunity Odyssey, where we make investing simple, real, and practical. Whether you have $100 or $10,000 to start with, these ETFs are designed to grow your money steadily and safely over time. First up, VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. VOO tracks the 500 largest companies in America, like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. Historically, the S&P 500 has averaged about 8 to 10% returns per year if you zoom out over decades. What makes VOO perfect for beginners is that it's super diversified. When you buy one share, you're owning a tiny piece of the biggest and best companies in the US. Plus, Vanguard is known for having some of the lowest fees in the game. And trust me, saving on fees compounds over time. Second is VIG, the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF. Now, this one is different because it focuses only on companies that have increased their dividends for at least 10 straight years. Think about it. If a company can consistently raise its payout to shareholders year after year, even through recessions, that's a sign of financial strength. VIG holds rock-solid companies like Johnson & Johnson, Microsoft, and Procter & Gamble. And while dividends aren't massive in this fund, the real power is the growth of those payments over time, which can snowball into serious passive income. Third, we have QQQ, the Invesco NASDAQ 100 ETF. If you want to bet on the future of technology and innovation, QQQ is where it's at. It tracks the top 100 non-financial companies in the NASDAQ, which is loaded with tech giants like Apple, Nvidia, and Google. QQQ does tend to be more volatile. It can swing up or down faster than VOO or VIG, but over time, it's historically delivered massive returns during growth periods. It's perfect for younger investors who have time to ride out the bumps and want to tap into tech's explosive potential. We have another video on the channel diving deeper into this ETF if you want to check it out. If you're not sure how to use these ETFs together, here's a simple formula. Put 50% of your investment in VOO for stability, 30% in VIG for dividend growth, 20% in QQQ for high growth potential. This way, you're diversified across traditional companies, steady dividend growers, and the most exciting tech leaders, all without having to pick individual stocks. The most important thing isn't picking the perfect ETF. It's getting started early, staying consistent, and letting time work its magic on your investments. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button so YouTube will show this to more beginner investors. Subscribe to Opportunity Odyssey for clear, no-hype investing advice you can actually use along your investing journey. And tell me in the comments, which ETF are you most excited about for 2025?